Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back if you're new. Okay, all right. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Jane and this is Unbecoming. On this channel we do homemaking, lifestyle, we talk about faith, just all of this is just to inspire you. And if you're new and you are still yet to subscribe, I hope you would consider subscribing, as this would really help my channel and it would really encourage me to keep going. So thank you so much in advance. Click that subscribe button, guys. Click it, okay? Click it. And then also click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload videos. I upload videos every Tuesdays and Saturdays. You see, your girl I'm delivering videos twice a week, so you'll be sure to have something to watch on this channel. Why don't you support your girl and subscribe to my channel? It will really help my channel. Thank you so much in advance. And as you can probably tell, today we are doing some fridge organization, and yes, this is what you're going to be expecting on this channel. You should look to my other videos. You would have seen some living room makeovers. There's also a bedroom makeover coming soon, and there's a lot of decorating, organizing, cleaning, and a bit about skincare as well. There's a bit about that as well, and it's just everything that you would hopefully enjoy. So yes, click that subscribe button. Thank you so much. And yes, so today we're doing fridge organization, and I'm just going to be doing some cleaning, some organizing. So yeah, I hope you will stick around. I hope you will enjoy the video and stick around. I hope you would continue watching and stick around. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the other side.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand.
Actually guys, what I'm doing today is just doing a bit of cleaning and just a little bit of organizing. So this is just the first step, because what happened, which I have explained in another video, was that I am just transferring from a smaller fridge to a bigger fridge. We had an issue with a bigger fridge, but I explained that in another video. But right now all I'm just doing is just to clean the bigger fridge freezer, and then just putting whatever that was in the smaller fridge freezer into the bigger fridge freezer. So that's what's happening right now.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh. know. Anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over. I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone. It's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home. Your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember, you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions. Less reactions, heart beat raising. Oh, it doesn't work.
So let me tell you, yeah, what happened actually. let's just take it down a notch, okay? I'd initially recorded an introduction. This is me. I've connected everything, and for me to realize that the one thing I was supposed to do to connect the microphone to the mic to the camera, I did not do it, and I've done this like 20 times. Okay, I exaggerate, a few times already, and I was about to just turn the camera off and just, you know, I've already done all my cleaning, all my whatever. I've done it. I'm just waiting for some of the things to, you know, to, what's the word now, the fruits I washed should just dry a little bit, and the things I washed should just dry a little bit. Let me just take a breather, you know. And then let me just turn this camera off, and I realized, oh Jane, you did not connect the microphone, and all this while you've just been there's probably no sound. So I had to record my introduction again. That's how it be, you know. That's how it be when you're doing these things. So guys, support me, okay? Just give me a tap on the back. Let me know that it's the only way I can know that you like this video and you're enjoying this video. And also when you leave your comments as well. Yeah, so I really appreciate it. Subscribing, and a lot of you watch my videos and you're not subscribed. It's so free, absolutely free. It does not cost you anything at all. You know, it's just for your viewing pleasure, and it does not cost you anything at all. It doesn't do anything to you at all. It just shows your support. That's all. That you really support this channel, because you're already watching the videos. Just click that subscribe button and click the notification bells as well, so you know when I upload new videos. So thank you so much. Also like the video, because then it also helps the algorithm and it pushes my video out there. And yeah, that's how it is. And yeah, that's how it is. Okay, so I've taken a breather, like I said earlier. I'm just waiting for the fruits to just dry a little bit, but my battery is about to die. That's one of my batteries. There's a lot of gadgets going on here, so one of them is about to die, so I need to charge it. That's one of the reasons why I'm doing that. So just to take a break, have something to eat or drink, and then we'll resume. Okay, all right then, see you in a bit. So as you can tell, guys, there's a lot of things that still needs organizing in this fridge. I've got about 5 or 6 bags of wedges or chips or whatever that almost finishing, but just different bags. And then I've got like 3 bags of mixed veg that I didn't know that I had. And there's just so many random bits that I really need to properly organize and make it look more presentable, you know. So that's one of the things I need to do in the next video. So guys, watch out. And if you look at the end as well, that there isn't really much, you know. What I was trying to do in the end was I didn't want to do a lot of shopping anyway, because I wanted to make sure that the other fridge was as empty as possible, so it's easy to transfer bits. And then obviously I need to go and do a proper food shop afterwards. So that was the idea. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, also click the like button, and leave a comment. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.
Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am. And I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing.
Yeah. I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back back and say I could've done more.